In this video, I show you how to add music to your YouTube videos. If you're new to the channel, please go down below and consider subscribing, and once you've done that, please go down below and consider leaving a like, and let's jump straight into this guide. The first thing you need to do is come to YouTube Studio, just like I am here, and what you need to do is go and upload the video which you want to go and add music to if you haven't already. So if you still need to upload the video, come to the top right and go and tap on Create, and then go and tap on Upload Videos. Then once you've uploaded the video, come over to the left hand side of the YouTube Studio, and from this side menu here, go and tap on Content, and this is going to show you all of your content on your YouTube channel. Then what you need to go and do is go and find the video which you want to go and add the music to. So in this case, I want to go and add it to this one here, example video 2. And also, if you see any of these things called TubeBuddy, this is just a quick YouTube tool I use to go and help optimize videos. It's really useful, tons of features. I'll chuck a link down below if you're interested in checking it out, and it's free as well. But go and select the video for me, example video 2, so go and tap on it. And then once you're on the video details page, or just on the video page, then what you need to do is come over to the left hand side once again, and you need to go and tap on editor with this little clipboard just here on the side menu. And once you're on editor, you're probably going to go and get a big thing saying get started. Just go and tap get started and you'll be on this page here. Then what you need to do is either come down to the timeline, you see this music logo, there'll be a plus here, or alternatively at the top we've got all these options here. And you need to go and locate audio and then go and tap on the plus here which says add audio. Then what it's going to go and do is going to go and load the YouTube library, and all of this music here is copyright free, which basically means you can go and place it on your videos with no limitations. It's all free to use and you can monetize it as well. And what you want to do is go and find some music, and you can go and preview it by pressing on play audio track, and then what that means is you can go and listen to it before you go and add it to your video. So as you can see, this sort of Christmas music. For example, I want to go and use this Desert Planet one here. So I'm going to quickly go and listen to it, and once I'm happy with it, what you then want to do is just go and tap add, just like so, and then it's going to go and add it to your video. Then what you can do is go and adjust the length and the starting point as well. For example, if you didn't want it to go through the whole video, just go and drag it from the ends, just like so. When you go and hover over it, you get your mouse and you can then go and adjust it. And you can also go and drag it as well by clicking in the middle of it, and you can go and adjust where it starts and stuff like that. And also what you can go and do as well is go clicking on the adjust mix level, which is these sort of 3 lines on it. You can go and adjust the volume. So if it's too loud, then go and adjust it and make it quieter, just like so. And then you've got these 3 dots here for more actions as well. And you've got 2 options here, license info and remove. So if you want to go and remove it, go and tap remove, and that's it. So in this case, I want it to be throughout the whole video, so I'm going to go and make it like that. So I'm going to go and do it just like so, and that's the whole video covered. Then once you're happy with what changes you've made, all you then need to do is go to the top right and go and hit save. And what YouTube explains here is basically saying it may take a few hours for your changes to be updated because YouTube has to go and process your video. So then you can go and press save, and it's going to go and start making the change. As you can see, it says please check back later. If we come back to our channel content, it's going to go and say processing, and that's literally it. You can sit back and wait, and then the music will be added, and you can do this to public videos, unlisted videos, and private videos as well.